Hey guys, this is Sadman, and today I'm going to be showing you the Kodak EasyShare DX7630. It came out on February 2nd, 2004, and I got at a thrift store that wasn't Goodwill for $7. And when I got it, I got a complete in box, and as you can see, here's the box. It also came with accessories as well. And the original purchaser of that camera bought from Best Buy. And as you can see, it uses a joystick for navigation, and it's the oldest digital camera that I have that uses a joystick for navigation. Let me take the lens cover off, and I'm gonna turn it on. Hold on. Alright, now it's on. Anyway, here are some test pictures and a test video that I taken with this camera. Alright, here's a test video for the Kodak EasyShare camera. And right now you can see the trees and the bushes. You hear the birds chirping. Anyway, so that's it for now. Bye. Anyway, here are the little buttons. There's delete, menu, and review. There's this little jog dial. I don't know what that does. And there's this button is for turning the HUD off and display off and back on again. And right here is the red share button. And right here is the joystick for navigation. It's a 5-way joystick. And right here is the speaker. And right here are 3 more buttons. One on the left, I don't know what that does. The one in the middle is for like autofocus. And the one on the right is flash. And here's a star button, and here's a T and a W, and that rings for zooming in and zooming out and demonstrate for you right now. You can see the lens moving. And now let me go to the menu. You can set the self timer and the picture size. You can set to these modes right here. And you can set the compression to standard and fine. And you could change the breaking interval, the autofocus control, the color mode, set the album, image storage, live view, and here's a set menu. Here's the set menu. And here's the about section, displaying firmware version 1.0. Now, let me go to the video mode now. Alright, I'm at the video mode now. Let me go to the menu. And it might be hard to see because of the focusing, but if you can, as you can see, there is no setting to like change the resolution of the video. It's just one resolution. Anyway, there are less items in the menu. There's self timer, set album, video length, image storage, and the set menu. It's pretty much the same as the auto mode settings. And here's a firmware version again. Now let me go back to the auto mode. And now I'm back at the auto mode. Anyway, so I'll see you for now. Hope you enjoyed it.